One of your sales agents is on a call. The prospect asks about pricing. Your rep hesitates in confusion. You can hear them losing the deal in real time. What if you could step in and whisper the right answer without the prospect knowing you're there? That's KrispCall monitoring business calls. And in this video, we'll explore its 3 modes: listen, whisper, and barge, and exactly how to use each one to coach your team. The listen mode. You hear the call in real time. Nobody knows you're there. Use it for quality checks, new hire training, and understanding what your customers actually say. The whisper mode. You speak directly to your agent. The caller can't hear you. This is live coaching. Your rep is struggling with an objection. You whisper the right response. The prospect never knows. And the barge mode. You join the call as a third participant. Both sides hear you. Use this when a deal needs executive authority, when a situation is escalating, or when a VIP customer needs senior attention. Setting it up in KrispCall isn't very complex. Once you sign up, log in, and start making calls, go to the Live Calls section in the dashboard. You'll see every active call across your team. Check on any call to see who's talking, how long it's been going, and which number is being used. And there is a coach option right beside each ongoing call. Once you click on it, 3 icons appear: an ear for listening, a speech bubble for whispering, and a phone icon for barging. Click the one you need. That's it. Note that this feature is accessible only to admins and managers. Regular members cannot monitor each other. Let's walk through a detailed scenario of how this works in practice. Sarah, one of your reps, is on a call. The prospect says, "Your competitor offers the same thing for less. Why should I go with you?" Sarah pauses. You can hear her searching for the right answer. You click Whisper. You say, "Sarah, mention that our plan includes AI assist at no extra cost. Their competitor charges extra per user for that." Sarah picks it up naturally. Great question. One thing to consider is that our AI assist feature is included in every plan, while most competitors charge $10 to $15 per user extra for those. The prospect responds positively. The deal moves forward. This is infinitely more useful than reviewing the call recording after the fact, when the deal is already lost. Now, let's explore a bit about when to use each mode. For listening, you can use it regularly. Even 30 minutes a week keeps you connected to what customers are saying and how your team handles it. Whisper. This can be done selectively, on important calls, during negotiations, or when a rep is handling something for the first time. And barge should be used sparingly, only for escalations, VIP clients, or when a deal needs someone senior to close it. Overusing the barge might undermine your team's confidence. Also, here are some practices you should not avoid in call monitoring. Tell your team about monitoring practices. This isn't surveillance, it's coaching. Be transparent about it. After any whisper or barge session, debrief with your rep. Explain what you did and why. Turn it into a learning moment, not a correction. And schedule regular listening sessions, not to catch mistakes, but to learn what your customers actually care about. That intelligence is gold for your entire team. Listen, whisper, and barge. 3 tools, 1 dashboard, and a much better coached sales team. Ready to start using call monitoring in KrispCall today? Link in the description. Subscribe for more sales team productivity content.